Coming up in sports, we're going to take a look at last night's Fort St. John Flyers and Dawson Creek Senior Canucks games, a sportscaster losing his job to sexual harassment allegations, and World Cup news. But first, we're going to take a look at weather with Eric Tashner. Eric, how's the weekend shaping up?
Well, Hugh, we got lots of clouds in the Peace region over the next couple of days, and it's going to be above average temperatures for the next couple of weeks, actually, in the Peace region. But you're still going to need your hat, coats, boots, and mitts, unfortunately. But you know, positive spin on it, right? So, and before we do that, let's look right into that Farmer's Almanac. Today's sunrise, 9:07 a.m. Today's sunset is going to be at 4:34. It already took place. Next full moon, December 3rd, just around the corner. Average temperature in the Peace region today was -6. Tonight will be low of -14. And your pressure was sitting at 102 kPAs. Dawson Creek's high today was +1, a record high of +10 in 2008. Record low, chilly, -33 in 1985. Chetwynd, +2 was your high today, a record high of +9 in 2004. Record low, chilly in the 30s again at -32 in 85. Fort St. John, -1 today, record high of +7 in 1956. Record low of -37 in 61. And last but not least, very cold in Fort Nelson, -12 today, record high of +7 in 2002, record low of -38 in 1961. Now looking over at the regional forecast, we'll start in Fort Nelson, a mix of sun and cloud, -17 starting out your weekend tomorrow. Hudson's Hope, -5, lots of sunshine in the area, so you're going to enjoy and just bask in all the sunshine up in Hudson's Hope. Fort St. John, Dawson Creek, Chetwynd, similar conditions. We're looking at mix of sun and cloud all across the board. -3 in Dawson Creek and Chetwynd and -8 in Fort St. John. Same goes for Tumbler Ridge, -5, a mix of sun and cloud. And then heading on over to Alberta, Spirit River, -7 with a mix of sun and cloud. Same goes for Grand Prairie, -5 with a mix of sun and cloud. Looking at the Fort St. John 5-day forecast, tonight we're going to have some snow. It's going to be a low of -11. Saturday, we're looking at a mix of sun and cloud, -8 degrees. And like we said earlier, those clouds are going to pour into the weekend. Sunday, -3. Monday, -1. All cloudy conditions over the next couple of days. But Tuesday, we're expecting those clouds to go away, and we're looking at a high of +1 and back into the positives. Dawson Creek, same sort of temperatures. We got -8 tonight. Got a little bit of snowfall expected. Saturday, the clouds are going to begin to pour in. -3 on Saturday, -3 Sunday, and we're going to have full clouds on Sunday and Monday, -3 and -1. And Tuesday, just like Fort St. John, all those clouds are going to dissipate, and we're going to go back into the positive temperatures at +1. Now looking at BC and Alberta, Fort Nelson, -17 tomorrow, mix of sun and cloud. Prince Rupert, 5, you're going to have some cloudy conditions. That's going to pour over into Prince Rupert for the next few days, so watch out there. Looking at Fort St. John, -8 with a mix of sun and cloud. Prince George, same sort of temperatures, but you're looking at -1, but you're going to have some cloud coverage over the next few days. Vancouver is going to have a 60% chance of rain or snow, and that's going to be +7. And finally, into the two big cities in Alberta, Edmonton, -2, a mix of sun and cloud. Calgary at sub-0, looking at a mix of sun and cloud as well. And finally, looking at the national forecast, Regina, 3 degrees, lots of sunshine there. They're going to have lots of sun over the next few days, so if you're heading to Regina, you're going to bask it all in. Looking at Winnipeg, 2 degrees with a mix of sun and cloud. Thunder Bay, 4 with a little bit of cloud coverage there. And as we head to Ontario, Toronto, 7 degrees with a little bit of cloud coverage. You might have a little bit of precipitation, actually, within the next couple of days as well. Montreal, cloudy conditions. And over in Maritimes, St. John's, 60% chance of precipitation. We're looking at a high of +3, and Halifax, rain, snow, or sun with the high of +6. And that's all the time we have for weather. Tune in for the Road Report right now.